Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to enable memories notifications in Snapchat. If you want to receive notifications about your cherished memories on Snapchat, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, locate the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. It usually looks like a silhouette of a person. Tap on it to access your profile details. Step 3. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the gear icon. This is your gateway to the Snapchat settings. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Within the settings, scroll down until you find the notifications option. Tap on it to enter the notification settings. In the notifications menu, look for the option labeled Memories and tap on it. You'll see a toggle switch. Simply enable it to start receiving notifications about your cherished memories on Snapchat. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable memories notifications and stay connected to your treasured moments on Snapchat. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.